How to display real-time network speed indicator on Samsung phone. If you've been wondering on how you can get the real-time network speed indicator on your Samsung Galaxy device without rooting it, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and without any further ado or delay, let us get started with our today's video. Now, if you are trying to display a real-time network speed indicator, because it's actually quite a handy feature, but you're not finding the option in the settings on Samsung phone, first of all keep in mind that Samsung by default does not offer this feature on any region or software versions. So no matter whichever latest device you're using, there isn't that feature officially. And if you're seeing some videos online that are claiming that they're most likely using a third-party software or a modded software to be able to get that. For that, you have to root your device, which is not recommended. So a simpler way I would suggest you do is, unfortunately, we have to rely on the help of a third-party application from Play Store to get this. So you can download the app Net Speed Indicator. You can download any one. I'm just choosing this one because it had a decent rating. Then you can simply open the app here, allow all the access. Here you can see enabled indicator. As and when this is enabled, you'll see a network speed indicator at the top left of your status bar. So not on the battery icons, but on your notifications toggle, or also over here you can see a download speed as well as upload speed. You must make sure to keep the application open in the background, otherwise the network speed indicator is going to get disabled or removed. But you can always open the app and turn this toggle again. I hope the video helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.